Caution: always wear the protective goggles and gloves came with the printer when performing the cleaning. Should ink come in contact with your skin or eyes, use water to remove and clean the affected area immediately. Perform the cleaning with the media removed. Clean the media press. Open the maintenance cover and the head maintenance cover. Remove the media press and wipe off the contaminants. Attach the media press. Make sure to attach it with right side up. Double-check your requests for care and maintenance, and operation manual as well. Perform the daily maintenance to keep the printer at its best.